Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable high graphics on Real Boxing 2. So let's get started. First, open the Real Boxing 2 game. Tap on the settings option from the top left corner of your screen. Here, you can see the high details option. Tap on the toggle switch right below the high details option to turn it off. A message will pop up informing you that you need to restart the game to apply the changes. Tap on the OK button at the bottom of your screen to confirm. Now, close and restart the Real Boxing 2 game to experience the changes. And this is how you can disable high graphics on Real Boxing 2. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.